Hi friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can check for the latest window update, May 2020 update in your system. So if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. The method explained in this video is suggested by the Microsoft, so you can assure on that. So if you want to check for the update, then go to the settings and open the settings. Then go to the update and security. In update and security, go to Windows Update and then click on check for update. So it will start checking for the latest update. If your device is eligible for the latest May update or 2020 update, then it automatically start installing that update in your system. For me, it is installing some security and intelligence update, as my system is eligible for this update only for now. Wait till it installing the update in your system. Once update is done, again click on check for update. There is possibility that there are multiple updates remain in your system, so it will install all the updates one by one. So again click on check for update and it will start checking for any other remaining update in your system. If you get the message again like this, then you have to, that it means your update is completed. Now you can check for the update by clicking on going to this update history and check what update is done in your system. For me, this installation is done for security intelligence update. For you can check that what update is done, like it is a 2020 update or any other thing. So this is the way you can check for the latest update. If you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.